41-year-old steam locomotive for a trip down memory lane.
It's taken 5 years of loving, painstaking work to put this proud passenger steam locomotive back on the rails. It was then it came into the hands of the enthusiasts from the Hotham Valley Railway, and today there was a chance to show off the fruits of their labour. 800 lucky passengers joined the British-built train on its journey from the city to Gingin. For those in the know, this is the world's only surviving PM-class steam locomotive. It used to haul express passenger trains from Perth to Kalgoorlie, and was known as the racehorse of the rails. By the look of her today, she's lost none of that racing spirit. David Lawrence, National 9 News.